So my experience so far at WEI has been absolutely amazing. I mean, you know, the people here are so welcoming and warm, and you know, I've only been here for 2 months, but I feel like I'm a part of the family, and I have just learned so much. You know, I have an entire notebook full. I learn something new every single week.
WEI has been an awesome foot in the door type of internship for really getting exposure to the digital marketing industry. I came in with, I had some other internships in different fields, but nothing purely focused on marketing. And from day one, I was welcomed into the family culture here that is WEI.
Working with students from SNHU, it's a different experience right away. You can tell that they're eager and excited to learn. They really appreciate the opportunity provided to them.
SNHU has definitely played a major role in my ability to succeed both in the classroom and here at this internship.
I utilize my resources at the Career Development Center. They help me every step of the way through application process, interviewing process, and they helped me choose the best internship for me.